Have you ever felt ready to do whatever it takes to succeed, but you're stuck because you don't know what to do? You're not alone. So many people have the drive and determination, but lack a proven plan to channel their efforts. And that's exactly what we're going to fix today. Hi, friend. Damian Jordan here, and welcome to the podcast. Before we dive in, if you find this episode helpful, please be sure to like, comment, share, and bookmark it so you can revisit these vital insights whenever you need them and help others benefit too. Now, let's talk about the challenge so many people face when trying to succeed online. The opportunities are endless, but the path can feel overwhelming. The online world is packed with advice, some helpful, some misleading, and some downright confusing. And without a clear plan, many people end up spinning their wheels, working hard, but going nowhere. But success doesn't have to be so complicated. The truth is, you don't need to reinvent the wheel. What you need is a proven plan. A clear, actionable plan that's been tested and works. What you need is a blueprint. Here's your online success blueprint in 3 simple steps. First, find your focus. What's your unique skill or passion? Start there. Second, leverage proven systems. Don't waste time creating from scratch. Tap into tools and frameworks designed for success. Third, stay consistent. Success isn't about doing everything perfectly. It's about showing up every day and sticking to the plan. And here's some good news. I've already put together a free step-by-step blueprint to guide you. Visit DamianJordanConsulting.com to download your free online success blueprint today. Once you submit the web form, check your email for a message with the subject line, "Here is your blueprint." Inside, you'll find the link to download your PDF. Be sure to reply to that email to whitelist my address and ensure you don't miss any future tips, strategies, or updates. The blueprint also includes more information about how you can access a supportive community of people just like you, determined to succeed in online business. In this community, you'll find encouragement, accountability, and collaboration. So, while you'll be in business for yourself, you won't be by yourself. Together, we'll share insights, tackle challenges, and celebrate wins along the way. And let's remember this: for I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. Plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Plans to give you hope and a future. Jeremiah 29:11. Success starts with trusting in God's plan and using the tools and support He's provided. So here's your challenge. Stop guessing and start following a proven blueprint. The opportunities are waiting. You just need to take the first step. Download your free blueprint at DamianJordanConsulting.com. Check your email for the link, reply to confirm, and learn more about how you can join a community that will walk with you on this journey to success. I'm Damian Jordan, and this is your reminder to simplify, focus, and succeed with faith as your foundation. See you next time.